Hey everyone, it's Sashee. I'm founder and CEO at Tea Drops, and I want to share with you our new Unsweetened line. It's a classic twist on our favorites, all without any sugar and very few calories. So to start, we have our citrus ginger. It's a blend of organic citrus and organic ginger. And the next one is our matcha green tea. This is a premium matcha. And last but not least is our rose Earl Grey infused with rose petals. And this one is slightly caffeinated. So I want to show you some quick tricks and tips to make our unsweetened line. They can be prepared in hot or cold water. So to start with, I'm going to show you how you can make a quick cold matcha brew on the go. I'm going to take a water bottle and take your matcha green tea and add it to a cup of cold water. So just add this into your water bottle and give it a good shake. So you just shake it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then you have a cold brew matcha. The tea fiber will drop to the bottom of your cup, and this is ready to take on the road or on the go. Next, I want to show you how to make a citrus sparkling lemonade with our citrus ginger tea drop. So the first thing I'm going to do is take an unsweetened citrus ginger and add this to my cup. They look really cute like this. And then I'm gonna add about 4 to 6 ounces of cool water. You let that set for 5 to 10 seconds so that the tea drop can start dissolving. And then you're gonna stir that. And then after that, I want to add about another 4 to 6 ounces of lemonade. Top that off with sparkling water. And then you just top it with ice. And you can garnish this with some lemon. I like adding the lemon slices to the cup and then add some mint leaves at the top. And there you go, refreshing beverage. The last but not least, I'm gonna show you how to make an iced rose Earl Grey. So I'm gonna take a rose Earl Grey tea drop. I like dissolving the rose Earl Grey in a little bit of hot water and then adding the cool water on top of it. So I'm gonna open my tea drop, add it to a cup, add a little bit of hot water to this one. I just find that for the rose Earl Grey, it dissolves a little bit better in hot water to start. So I just stir that. And then I'm gonna add some ice to this. And then add the remainder, another 4 ounces of cool water. Just stir that up. And again, with this one, you can also garnish with mint leaves. And there you go, a rose Earl Grey iced tea. So these are just some simple ways you can prepare our new unsweetened line. You can either make it as a cold brew, take it on the go, or make some simple iced tea infusions.